Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Ti-83 Plus and confirming the screen contrast. Low contrast looks like a blank display. Next, set mode to degree or radian depending on problems. This matters because trig answers change. Once done, clear unwanted variables using the memory reset path so stored letters do not interfere with results. You do these steps now to guarantee subsequent calculations behave predictably. They prevent confusing errors later when you run functions or graph equations. You next input equations in the y equals editor and use the x variable button. This tells the calculator what to plot. Then adjust the window so the graph's important features fit on screen. Bad bounds hide roots or asymptotes. Once parameters are set, press graph and use trace to read coordinates or zoom to autofit. Make sure to change XSCL and ISCL for readable tick spacing. That way, you interpret intersections and slopes correctly when analyzing behavior. You finish by solving and saving results. Use the Calculate menu for zeros, intersections, and numerical derivatives, supplying bounds when prompted so the routine converges. Then store outputs with the store arrow into variables for reuse in calculations or programs. If something fails, check mode first because degree versus radian causes wrong numeric answers. Also re-enter parentheses and clear lists to remove messy data. If the screen is faint, replace batteries to rule out power-related glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.